Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Vanilla Theory. In this video, I'll show you how to add your website to Google Search Console using the URL prefix method. If you want Google to index your website and track its performance, this is an essential step. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly understand the difference. Domain verification requires DNS verification at the domain level and gives access to all subdomains and protocols. URL prefix verification verifies only a specific URL path and is easier to set up. If you want to follow the domain verification method, we have a separate video linked in the description below. Open your browser and go to Google Search Console. Click on the first link in the search results. Click Start Now. Once logged in, you'll see two options to add your website, domain and URL prefix. Select URL prefix. Enter your website URL, including HTTPS if your site has SSL. Click Continue. You will see several verification options. Let's go over them. By domain name provider. We've created a dedicated video for this method, check the description for the link. By using Google Tag Manager. If you already have Google Tag Manager installed with the same email, just click Verify. This only works if GTM is correctly set up on your site. Using the Google Analytics verification method. If your site already has analytics.js or tag.js installed, simply click Verify. Google will check for the tracking code and confirm ownership. We will discuss the HTML tag verification method after covering the HTML file upload method. Google recommends using the HTML file upload method for quick and secure website verification. Download the provided HTML file. Now, we need to upload this file to your website's root directory. Open File Manager in your hosting panel. If you're using cPanel, navigate to File Manager, then locate and open the public_HTML folder from the left panel. Click the Upload button and select the HTML file you downloaded earlier. Once uploaded, switch back to Google Search Console. Click Verify. You will receive a verification confirmation pop-up once the process is complete. Use HTML tag verification, the most popular method, to verify your site. Google provides an HTML meta tag. Copy the meta tag code. Log into your WordPress website's backend. In WordPress, go to Appearance, then click Theme File Editor. Open header.php. And paste the code inside the head section. Save the changes. And return to Google Search Console. Click Verify. Once verified, you'll see a success message. Click Go to Property to enter your Search Console dashboard. Google will start collecting data, but it may take a few hours to show up. And that's it. You've successfully added your website to Google Search Console. Now, you can track your website's performance, indexing status, and search visibility. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more SEO and website tips. See you in the next video.